If you want to make money online by just playing games, this video is for you. Just stick around to the very end for you to learn how you can be able to make money online by just playing simple games and you earn money. But before that, I would like to drop a disclaimer that this video is only for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. Please do your own research for every investment you make. If you check my balance over here, you will see that I currently have a total of 3,000 US dollars. So right here, I'll be showing you how you'll be able to make money for yourself by just playing games. So for you to start playing games, you have to make a recharge into your account. So you just go over to this section that's saying deposit. If you go over to that section, you have to just input the amount you want to deposit in this box over here and click on recharge, and the recharge will be made into your account successfully. So if you want to start playing games, let us first go to their Telegram channel and check their signal groups. This is their signal group. They drop signals every single minute. As you can see, this was 2:08 and the game they play is Bingo 1 minute. If you scroll, you will see 2:07, 2:06, 2:05, and the game they're still playing is the Wingo 1 minute. So right here, you'll be able to receive signals from their platforms on how to play the games. So first, let us go and check out the game, which is the Wingo 1 minute, and we'll play the game too in this video right here to check how it is. As you can see over here, this is the game, the Wingo 1 minute. So if you click on the game, let us go and check how you'll be able to use the signals to play the games. So as you can see over here, they're showing here you can play the 1 minute, that is here. You can play the 3 minutes, the 5 minutes, the 10 minutes. But right now we'll be following the signals. So let's go back to their Telegram channel. So right here the bet is 0557, entered the 7 and it is big and it is 2,700 that you should bet. So all you have to do is to choose on big here. Then you choose the amount you want to bet, which is I'll choose $100, then I'll click on total amount and that my bet is successful. And as you can see, it is showing that I have won $882 right here. So let us check whether my balance has increased, and as you can see where my balance is currently $3,582. So let us play more games and check how it is going to be right here. So if you go back to the signal group, the one for 216.055 ended with 8 and it is small. So I'll just go back and click on small. Then I'll input the amount I want to bet. I want to bet $100. So and let us wait patiently for the bet to end and check whether this is also a win or it is a loss. If you come over to this section that says bet details, you'll be able to see the bet. As you can see over here, I currently won another $882, and I'm sure it has been created into my account. As you can see why it is showing winning. Before it will be showing hasn't been drawn yet, but right now it is showing winning to show you that our signals really work. So I'll play another game right here in this video to also show you that it really works. So now that this one has ended, let's go back to their signal group, and right here as you can see it is showing small and 0560 is the period and the bet is 100. So if you go back, you choose small right here, and I will be betting $200 this time, and I will click on that and my bet will be successful. If you come over to this section that says bet details, you'll be able to see whether the bet has won or not. As you can see, it's saying hasn't been drawn yet. If you scroll down, this is also showing hasn't been drawn yet. So let us wait patiently and check when the bet is going to arrive. As you can see over here, I've currently won $392, and as you can see over here, I've currently won $392, and I'm sure it has also been created into my account. So let me refresh, and my account has been credited with the amount. So if you go to the bet details, you will see that it was won. I won this bet and it is successful. In these signals they give, the most important thing here is the signal. Then here they can tell you the amount you should bet, and the period is not really necessary, but you have to know that it is Wingo 1 minute. So the signal is what you should bear in mind. If this signal doesn't work, then you apply what they call the martingale strategy, which means you double what you used to trade at the first time. So I'll just double it. If this doesn't work, you double it and you trade with 200. But the signals are always correct, although not perfect. Sometimes they're incorrect. So let us use it to win more games. At this section, this is where the period is reflecting, which is over here. It will show you the period in which you were shown in the Telegram channel signal group. So we'll play another round in this 1 minute game. Let me also show you again how to play it. So right here, the next signal has been dropped, which is small. So just bear it in mind. Then we go back to the game. The next signal is small. Then all you have to do is just to click on small over here. Once you click on small, input the amount you want to bet. Me, I'll be betting with $200 and I'll click on confirm. And let us wait for the timer to finish and check whether our bet is successful. And now the game is closing. So if you want to track your bet whether it is done yet, you click on bet details and you'll be able to see whether the bet is done. As you can see, it is showing here bet hasn't been drawn yet, so we have to wait patiently and check when the bet is going to draw. As you can see over here, it is showing me I have successfully won 392 euros, and as you can see over here, let us go and check my balance. And as you can see, my balance has currently added up over here. So all you have to do is just to come here, use the signal, use this over here, use the signal and use it and make money for yourself. Do you want us to play another one? No worry, I'm going to play another one. If we come back to their signal group, the next signal is small. So what we are going to do is to click on small right here and input the amount we want to bet. Me, I'm betting with $100 this time because not every time that luck shines. So I bet with $100 this time, and let us wait for the bet to finish and check whether it is a win or a loss. And hooray, it was a win. I currently won 196 euros, as you can see over here, and if you go to my balance, it has currently reflected.